Well, you guys know I've been working on bows and doing some flint knapping and whatnot. These are one of the arrowheads that I've made. It's coming right down to the wire hunting season, and I'm no expert flint knapper. I do like making bows. This is the bow I've been working on. Got the handle on it. Osage orange, sinew backed with rattlesnake hides. And I made some arrows for them. Sinew tied on, self nocks. And I was gonna hunt with my broadheads, and I am gonna still use this one. But today in the mail, got something I'm pretty excited about. And I don't know if you guys follow Ryan Gill's channel, Hunt Primitive. It's an outstanding channel. I've been following the guy. I used to get a Primitive Archer magazine when I was young. Great stuff in there. But anyway, I ordered some of his flint knap points because the guy, that's what he does for a living. He's amazing. And I know his points are gonna work well as long as I put them where they need to be. Anyway, it's just an unboxing and a little comparison to how I make mine. So these ones, it says Obsidian. This is Chert. Wrapped them up real nice. Let's take a look, see it. Roll them out. Oh, that's beautiful. So this is the difference between him and mine. I'll take some pictures. Those edges, there's no way I'm gonna be able to show you those. That's one of the Chert. Beautiful, beautiful work. Works of art. I like how he's got them wrapped up too. There's another. Just beautiful. And say if you guys are into bows, atlatls, flint knapping, such beautiful work. Ryan, you do amazing stuff, man. Like I say, I'll put some pictures up of them. I gotta make some pine pitch glue, break down some sinew. And these are gonna be going on hunting points. And I hate to do it, but I'm actually gonna have to chip these ears off right here. So in Idaho, we can't have a barb point. So I'm gonna have to run those perfectly chipped arrowheads. And it's not going to run them, it's just going to take these ears off right here to make them legal to hunt with. Check out the Obsidian. Beautiful work. I threw in a red one. Look how thin. I'll show you one of mine here. Got one more. So So this kind of obsidian right here that I'd find over in Glass Butte, Oregon, the red and black. It's really pretty. So like I said, point I made, fairly thin. It's still fat. Just with a little sharpening, I believe it worked just fine. Look at that compared to Ryan's work. It just show you the difference between a rookie and a master. So I want to give a big shout out to Ryan Gill and Hunt Primitive for hooking me up with these. That's going to help me get into hunting a lot faster this year. I'll get them hafted up on these arrows. Like I said, and I'll have to knock the ears off, which is a crying shame because those are going to be beautiful. Going to be just beautiful. Deadly. About time to roll. All right. I'll plug a few pictures in here. Thanks for listening. Like I said, I'm going to be hunting with this bow here. Osage orange, sinew back, rattlesnake skin, sinew string. All homemade. This is a coyote that I trapped. Oh. Thanks for listening.